Are you tired of buying watches that break, wear out, or become obsolete, forcing you to constantly replace them when buying quality once saves money long term? The watch industry wants you on the upgrade treadmill, constantly chasing new releases when certain Seiko watches are built to genuinely last lifetimes, with proper care providing decades of reliable service. Whether you're tired of disposable consumer goods that fail prematurely, someone who values buy-it-for-life quality over cheap replacements, a practical buyer calculating total cost of ownership, or simply wanting watches that become heirlooms passed to future generations, choosing watches built to last eliminates waste and saves money over time. In this comprehensive guide, we're counting down 8 Seiko watches that genuinely last lifetimes when you buy quality once and never replace. But wait until you see our number 1 pick. It's absolutely forever. Number 8. Seiko 5 SNK809. $100 that lasts decades. The Seiko 5 SNK809 starts our list proving that even affordable Seikos can last lifetimes with proper care. This legendary field watch demonstrates that longevity doesn't require expensive investments. What makes the SNK809 a lifetime watch is the legendary 7S26 automatic movement known for running reliably for 30-plus years with minimal service. The simple, robust construction, without complicated features, means fewer things to break, creating inherent reliability through simplicity. The compact 37mm case, made from solid stainless steel, withstands decades of daily wear, without structural failures or material degradation. The affordable pricing under $100 means you can buy this watch and not worry about babying it, allowing genuine daily use. The timeless military-inspired design never goes out of style, remaining appropriate and attractive decades after purchase. The easy serviceability means any competent watchmaker can maintain this watch, keeping it running for generations without specialized tools. The strong emotional attachment people develop with daily watches creates sentimental value, ensuring you'll want to keep this forever. The minimal maintenance requirements with 5 to 7 year service intervals means decades of ownership cost just hundreds in total servicing. Number 7. Seiko Turtle SRP 777. Bulletproof cushion. Case coming in at number 7 is the Seiko Turtle SRP 777, proving that modern Seiko divers are built to last generations. This cushion-cased icon demonstrates that dive watch construction creates inherent durability. What makes the Turtle a lifetime watch is the robust 4R36 movement, providing decades of reliable service with simple periodic maintenance every 5 to 7 years. The cushion case design with thick steel construction creates structural integrity that withstands impacts and abuse that would damage thinner cases. The excellent water resistance gaskets that can be easily replaced during service ensure this remains waterproof for decades with proper maintenance. The Hardlex crystal, while not sapphire, can be inexpensively replaced if scratched, maintaining perfect appearance throughout ownership. The simple, reliable dive watch design without unnecessary complications means fewer potential failure points, creating robust longevity. The strong aftermarket support with readily available parts ensures serviceability decades from now when some brands discontinue support. The timeless 1970s-inspired design never looks dated, remaining stylish and relevant regardless of changing fashion trends. The excellent value around $400 means the cost per wear, over 30-plus years of ownership, becomes pennies, making this exceptional investment. The cult following and strong community ensures knowledge, sharing, and support, maintaining these watches indefinitely. Number 6. Seiko Alpinist SPB 121 Mountain Tough Companion. The Seiko Alpinist SPB 121 secures the 6th spot, proving that field watches are built to endure lifetimes of adventure. This mountain-ready timepiece demonstrates that purpose-built tools last when designed for harsh use. What makes the Alpinist a lifetime watch is the robust 6R35 movement, with 70-hour power reserve providing modern reliability lasting decades with proper service. The internal rotating compass bezel has no external rotating parts to break or wear out, ensuring functionality remains perfect forever. The excellent 200mm water resistance exceeds field watch requirements, providing safety margin, ensuring seals remain effective through decades. The compact 39.5mm case construction with quality finishing withstands outdoor abuse while maintaining attractive appearance through years. The cathedral hands and distinctive design create unique character that never becomes boring, ensuring you'll want to wear this forever. The versatile styling works for outdoor activities and daily wear, making this the genuine one-watch solution for minimal collectors. The strong alpinist heritage spanning decades proves this design has staying power, remaining relevant through changing trends. The reasonable pricing around $700 provides exceptional quality, ensuring the investment pays dividends through decades of reliable service. The excellent serviceability with standard parts means maintaining this watch remains affordable and accessible indefinitely. Number 5. Seiko Sumo SPB103 Premium Build. Quality coming in at number 5 is the Seiko Sumo SPB103, proving that stepping up in quality delivers watches built to genuinely last lifetimes. This premium diver demonstrates that better materials and finishing create superior longevity. What makes the Sumo a lifetime watch is the excellent 6R35 movement, with quality finishing providing decades of reliable timekeeping with proper maintenance. The dramatically improved finishing with Zaratsu polishing and attention to detail ensures this watch maintains beautiful appearance through decades. The sapphire crystal provides scratch resistance that preserves perfect dial visibility throughout lifetime of ownership, unlike mineral crystals requiring replacement. The excellent bracelet construction with solid links and quality clasp withstands decades of daily wear without stretching or degrading. The 200mm water resistance with quality gaskets easily serviced ensures this remains waterproof indefinitely with periodic maintenance. The timeless dive watch design based on professional tool watch heritage never becomes dated, remaining attractive forever. The substantial construction with quality materials throughout ensures structural integrity, lasting generations with proper care. The reasonable pricing around $900 delivers quality that Swiss brands charge triple for, making this exceptional long-term investment. The strong enthusiast following ensures parts availability and service knowledge remain accessible decades from now. The impressive value retention means this watch maintains worth, ensuring your investment isn't lost to depreciation. Number 4. Seiko SKX007 Legendary Immortal Diver. The Seiko SKX007 takes the 4th position as perhaps the most indestructible watch ever created, proving legends last forever. This iconic diver demonstrates that simple, robust design creates genuinely immortal timepieces. What makes the SKX007 an immortal lifetime watch is the legendary reputation for running reliably for 30 to 40 plus years with minimal service. The simple 7S26 movement without date complication or hand winding means fewer things to break, creating inherent reliability. The incredibly robust case construction withstands abuse that would destroy lesser watches, earning reputation as tool watch that survives anything. The massive aftermarket support with endless modification parts ensures this watch can be maintained and customized indefinitely. The discontinued status creates collectability, ensuring this appreciates in value rather than depreciating like most watches. The perfect proportions with 42mm case established what dive watch dimensions should be, creating timeless appeal. The emotional connections people form with SKX create sentimental value, ensuring these watches never get sold, remaining in collections forever. The affordable pricing on used market, around $300–400, makes legendary quality accessible to everyone wanting buy-it-for-life watches. The proven track record, with countless examples running for decades, provides empirical evidence this watch genuinely lasts lifetimes. The cultural significance within watch enthusiasm ensures SKX remains relevant and desirable regardless of new releases or trends. Number 3. Seiko Prospex SPB 143 62 MAS Modern Heritage Excellence. The Seiko Prospex SPB 143 secures the third spot, proving that modern Seikos can be built as well as legends when Seiko tries. This heritage reissue demonstrates that combining vintage design with modern quality creates ultimate lifetime watches. What makes the SPB 143 a lifetime watch is the excellent 6R35 movement, with quality finishing providing decades of reliable service with proper maintenance. The sapphire crystal with box shape and anti-reflective coating maintains perfect clarity throughout lifetime without scratches or degradation. The excellent finishing throughout, with polished bevels and brushed surfaces, ensures this watch looks beautiful decades from now. The perfect 40.5 mm proportions create timeless appeal that never feels too small or oversized, regardless of changing size trends. The slim 13 mm case thickness makes this comfortable for daily wear, ensuring you'll actually wear this watch rather than leaving it unworn. The drilled lugs make strap changes effortless, encouraging versatility, ensuring this watch remains fresh and interesting throughout ownership. The 200-meter water resistance with quality construction ensures genuine dive capability lasting decades with periodic seal replacement. The reasonable pricing, around $1,100, delivers quality that should cost significantly more, making this exceptional long-term value. The strong collector appreciation creates investment potential, ensuring this watch maintains or increases value over time. The modern Seiko Heritage line proves the company can create instant classics when focused on quality over cost-cutting. Number 2. Seiko Marine Master 300 SBDX 1 Professional Tool Forever. Taking the runner-up position is the Seiko Marine Master 300 SBDX 1, proving that professional tool watches are genuinely built to last lifetimes of hard use. This serious diver demonstrates that purpose-built professional instruments never become obsolete. What makes the Marine Master a lifetime watch is the incredibly robust construction with thick case and monocoque design, providing structural integrity lasting generations. The professional-grade specifications with 300 meters water resistance and extreme quality ensure this functions perfectly through decades of diving use. The excellent 8L35 movement with superior finishing and reliability provides decades of accurate timekeeping with proper periodic service. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating maintains perfect clarity throughout lifetime ownership without scratches affecting legibility. The Zaratsu polishing and premium finishing throughout ensures this watch maintains beautiful appearance despite decades of hard use. The titanium case and bracelet option provides lightweight corrosion resistance, ensuring structural integrity in saltwater environments. The timeless professional tool watch design never becomes dated, remaining appropriate and functional regardless of trends. The premium pricing, around $3,000, $4,000, when available, delivers quality, justifying the investment through decades of reliable service. The discontinued status creates collectability and appreciation, ensuring this investment maintains or increases value over time. The legendary reputation among professional divers and enthusiasts ensures this watch remains highly regarded indefinitely. Number 1. Grand Seiko SBGA 211 Snowflake, the game changer. Finally, here it is, the number 1 Seiko watch that genuinely lasts forever, representing the absolute pinnacle of buy-it-for-life quality. The Grand Seiko SBGA 211 Snowflake. This isn't just another quality watch. It's a masterpiece of Japanese craftsmanship that combines revolutionary spring drive technology with Zaratsu polishing and attention to detail, creating a timepiece that will literally outlive you and serve multiple generations, proving that buying the absolute best quality once eliminates the need for replacement, forever making this the ultimate expression of buy-it-for-life philosophy in watchmaking. The Grand Seiko SBGA 211 features the revolutionary spring drive 9R65 movement, providing incredible accuracy and requiring minimal service, lasting 50-plus years with proper care. What makes this watch truly forever is the exceptional Zaratsu polishing, creating mirror-perfect surfaces that can be refinished indefinitely, maintaining like-new appearance through generations. The stunning snowflake dial, with incredible texture, never becomes boring, providing visual interest that photographs cannot capture, requiring ownership to appreciate fully. The sapphire crystal, with perfect anti-reflective coating, maintains flawless clarity throughout lifetime, never requiring replacement, unlike mineral crystals. The titanium case construction provides lightweight corrosion resistance, ensuring structural integrity lasting centuries with proper care.